I am Rahul Reddy Thumma, a second year student of School of Mechanical Sciences, Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar, enrolled in its 4 years Bachelor of Technology program. I am a resident of Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. I am contesting for the post of General Secretary Science and Technology, Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar, for the session 2014-2015. The main agenda of General Secretary Science and Technology is to manage the activities of Science and Technology Council by working closely with secretaries of different technical societies. I base my candidature on my sound knowledge in the domain of my active involvement in various activities of science and technology, and my inherent passionate urge and the experience have been through many organizational activities. My eminent credentials for this post from 2012 to till now are: I am an active member of Center for Entrepreneurship, ESEL of IIT Bhubaneswar. Being a member of ESEL, I have gained an immense knowledge on different facets of entrepreneurship. I have attended various seminars and workshops on entrepreneurship development both in IIT Bhubaneswar and in other institutes. I also represented Center for Entrepreneurship, IIT Bhubaneswar, in the recently held National Entrepreneurship Summit in National Institute of Technology, Rourkela. I was also one of the main organizing heads of Entrepreneurship Week 14, a week-long entrepreneurial activities in Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar. I worked as a student guide in counseling service team for the year 2013-2014. I am also an active member of VR1, which is a nationwide NGO run by students of various IITs, NITs, and other institutes. In my second year, I am the core team member of Visionaire 14, and in my first year, I was an associate member of Visionaire 13, the annual Techno Management Fest of IIT Bhubaneswar. Being a core team member, I had gained a deep insight into the significant parts of the fest. During the fest, I was the event coordinator of the event's Confluence Colloquium Mechanical, one of the biggest events of Visionaire 14. I am currently working under Assistant Professor Dr. V. Panduranga on a project quadcopter at the new robotics lab, which is going to be out in the next year. Also, I am currently working under Visiting Professor Dr. Vasudeva Rao on non-destructive analysis. By this December, I am going to produce my research work at International Maths Conference. I am a member of SAE, Society of Automotive Engineers, Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar Club, which is currently working on a project FE Cycle for SAE NIS FE Cycle 2014 competition. I am also a member of Programming Society, IIT Bhubaneswar, and I have a sound knowledge on coding languages like C, Go, Java, etc. Apart from having such a gyro co-curricular profile, I was able to maintain an overall cumulative grade point average of 9.22 at the end of autumn. Proposals and my plans are: first, Center for Entrepreneurship, I would try to start the initiative of Campus Company, which will promote startups by students of IIT Bhubaneswar. This will help in maintaining a vibrant entrepreneurial setup in our campus. I have also initiated the process of securing funding from Department of Science and Technology to support technical projects and the setting up of Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Center (IETC) in our campus. My groundwork towards this aim has been to contact the deans and the chairman ESEL. They have responded positively to my proposal. I will ensure that Center for Entrepreneurship IIT Bhubaneswar to conduct the Entrepreneurship Summit, which is going to be the third fest of IIT Bhubaneswar. I would like to use my experience of conducting the EV in IIT Bhubaneswar held during March 3rd to 9th. Also, the experience gained from participating in the Entrepreneurship Summit of NIT Rourkela and looking through the details of organizing such a fest will prove very helpful. I will ensure that every technical society have its own website, just as the ESEL got its own this year. Upon my proposal, the Secretary of Website and Design Society has expressed the need for a dedicated effort from the members of both the Programming and Website and Design Societies. I will make sure that the events coverage team has its own camera. I also plan to send 2 people from the events coverage team to cover the happenings in the 50th Inter-IIT Sports Meet. I will bring forth a professor in charge for Robotics and Intelligent Systems Club, this IIT Bhubaneswar, and also a dedicated room for that society. I will bring funding from Gymkhana at the right time for the Robotics Society to build their boards and participate in a variety of competitions in different fests across the country. I also want to make the department-wise societies of our college into active ones. I would like to conduct winter workshops for electrical, mechanical and civil students of particularly first year to gain sound knowledge on MATLAB, ProE, SolidWorks, ANSYS, StatPro, etc. I would like to introduce Tech Social Challenge, which provides technical solutions to the social problem. I would like to introduce Imaginovate, an intra-college technical festival. This is for encouragement, awareness and preparation for many similar national, international events and competitions. This is also for bridging the gap between departments, Science and Technology Council and the students of both UG and PG. I would like to increase industrial seminars in IIT Bhubaneswar for different departments. For this, I have consulted professors in IIT Bhubaneswar and they have responded positively for my proposal. I will make sure to have interaction between the current students and the alumni. I will plan this accordingly with respect to technical councils. I have pondered over the various aspects of science and technology, and I have proposed that I thought to be highly fitting and of top priority. Owing to limited time, I have just listed the overview of my ideas, and I have done sufficient research on my proposals to ensure that they are feasible and implemented, and are not to the statements. Being a student of 5th batch of new IIT, I work sincerely towards building a reputation for IIT Bhubaneswar, and I promise to work my full potential to make them happen.